I would say by far the chow mein sauce probably is the most popular sauce in the sense that everybody cook chow mein at their house, and it's the easiest thing to cook, it's the simplest thing to cook. And this make it even simpler. Look.
Here, I want to taste it. So we're going to taste a little bit of it.
Sauce, taste the sauce.
Yeah,
I'll get a spoon for you.
So, you know, as he mentioned, the sauce is very versatile and you don't have to just cook chow mein alone with it. You know, you can use it to make even macaroni. You know, some of us make stew macaroni. Perfect. Replace the cashew with this. And to all my followers, them all over the country who do not have access to cashew, I know many of you live in states where you cannot find cashew. This is the perfect substitution for it. So I would do a classic Guyanese style. Pour it in the pot spoon, dash it in your hand, and you just give it a lick. Okay, so I mean, first off, tasting it, it's rolling on the tongue. It's not bitter, it's not sour, so great. Let's try it in the chow mein. Let's see what it's gonna do. So how I would do it, I would add my oil. If I'm using protein, I would add my chicken, beef, whatever. You know, start fry it up with all my aromatics and spice and stuff like that. Sati, how do you do it?
Then I fry the chicken first.
So that's it. I'm gonna put the chicken in, and then you guys, both of you guys.
Little bit oil?
So I'm gonna be the helper, right? I'm gonna
vegetables.
Our handy assistant.
Yeah,
so we're
so-
adding some oil to the pan, and we're gonna start off by adding our protein, and
Yeah,
we're
chicken.
using some chicken here today.
Sure.
Put some tomato.
Drop it in.
So the chicken, you know, it's pre-cooked already, so we don't have to, you know, fry this long. Like if you're going to be cooking home, it's already pre-cooked.
Yeah.
So we're going to go in with some onions here. So we're adding aromatics to the pan, and meaning we're going to start flavor up this meat. Go ahead. And you know, when I'm cooking home, I do not like my vegetable to be overcooked. I like that nice crunch to it. And if you're going to be cooking your meat from scratch, where it's not pre-cooked, you would need to, you know, hold back on throwing in your onion and your bell peppers and stuff. But again, this meat is already pre-cooked. In goes the carrots, and you just want to stir fry everything. And again, this, you know, all these veggies she's adding, this is optional. You do not have to add all this to your pot. If you have like an allergy or you don't like specific, you can omit it. So I would throw my sauce here now.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Sauce.
I want the chicken to get some color. So again, this is to your preference. If you like a darker chow mein, you can add more sauce. So I mean, we can add our chow mein now because remember the meat is already pre-cooked, and we do not want to overcook our veggies.
Yeah. So chow mein is already boiled.
So we're gonna taste it as we go. Yeah. Ash, take over the kitchen.
How it looks there?
It's looking good. For me, I feel like I need a little bit more sauce. But what do you
alright.
think?
Go ahead. Put the sauce. Oh.
So we're gonna just add a little bit of scallion. I love a little bit of scallion to finish it off. Yeah.
All right. Good.
So we're going in for the taste test.
So just like that, you see how quick and simple it is? Have this the chow mein pre-cooked, have it in your refrigerator. This is designed to give you a quick meal when you're in a rush, right?
Perfect. Don't need any salt.
So what
The
we
sauce
did
seasoned it very well.
now, I think it's time for the guys who are watching, who want to taste it, and let us know. Come on.
Come, I come taste it.
Yes.
Let's do this.
You come. You bring the food.
Yeah, but taste it. We have customer here on taste the chow mein.
Come up.
Come on up.
Come on.
Go up and taste the chow
No
mein.
salt. You're doing no salt, right? Right? It's very saucy, full of flavor, and it's all from the sauce. Because you see, we add
So
minimum
Legend
spice
Cookhouse Chef's
already.
gourmet chow mein sauce, right?
Guys, this is really good. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. You guys need to grab it now. Alright? No, you can't involve me.
I come taste it.
All right. Just like you would make it at home?
Even better.
Even better.
Yeah, flavor, right? The
Yeah.
place is really good. Yeah.